Now let's see the example 3, and in this example we are just fetching the tab title. Those are opened in a browser. So for that purpose, initially I am opening the source lab URL and then as a new window, and I will say new tab, I will open another URL. And now this time we have two tabs open in the browser. So with the help of stream APIs method, we will try to fetch title of each tab with the help of switching one by one. Now let's see the practical part. So first of all, with the help of this driver, we have to get all window handles, and as you can see here, it will return, just give me a minute, it will return set of string. So again it is a, I will say, collection object, and then let me store into a collection object so that it's easy to understand for everyone. All tabs, right? And now I'm saying this all tabs, again a collection object. So with the help of this collection object, let me call this stream method, and after that we have to iterate each tab. For that purpose I'm using this ForEach method, and then I'm writing Lambda expression. And in this Lambda expression, first of all, we have to switch this tab, then the first operation that we have to perform, that is switch on the particular tab. Then with the help of this driver we have to switch to, then we have to write window, and then we have to provide this tab, means currently we have to switch on this tab, and then we can say get title. So with this line we are fetching the title, and again I am storing this title into a variable, and now for our reference I am just printing this title. So now you will see this piece of code one by one switch to each tab and fetching the title and then printing on the console. And finally here after method you can see I am putting this line driver.close, then it will close the browser. So now let me execute it for you. And again this will open Chrome driver. Initially it will open source lab demo site, and then in new window, or I will say new tab, it will open the another website. See, initially it's open source lab, now after 5-second wait it's opening another one. Now you can see here two tabs, and with the help of that piece of code it will fetch the title and print on console, and then finally it will close the browser. Yeah, it's done. So now you can see here the title of the first tab is Swag Labs, and the second tab title is working with Windows and tab hyphen Selenium. So that's all about this example. So now let's see the example 4, and in this example I am using this globesqa.com demo site. So let's see the first use case, then we'll see the practical part. And this is the home screen of the URL, and after that I'm just clicking on this customer login, and I'm fetching all these options. Those are available in this drop down, and then I'm just verifying either these options are are displayed in the sorted form, or in not displayed in sorted form. So this is our use case, and now let's see the practical part, how we can achieve the same using stream APIs related function. And this is, again, I have created one sample script in order to save our time. So in this script initially I'm navigating to this site, and then I'm just clicking on that add customer button, and then with the help of this ID I'm fetching, and I'm locating that drop down, and with the help of this select class I am getting all the options as a web element and store into this list, right? Now let me start the stream API related code here. Again, this all option is a part of a collection object. Then with the help of this, let me call this stream method. Then I will say I need to call this map method, and here again I have to provide method referencing. For that I have to write web element double colon, and this time we have to get text of all these options, right? For that purpose I writing this method referencing here, and then I'm saying I need to collect all the names as a string, oh sorry, as a list of string, right? So for that purpose I am just, with the help of this collect method, I am collecting all the text for each option. And so now we can say with this line we are having now a list of string, right, which having all the options, all options value, right? And now, and using this line we are fetching all the options available in the drop down in default natural order, right? And now with the help of, till here I will say the code is same, and then I will apply sorted, and then I'm collecting as a list. So this time we are fetching all the options available in drop down, but we are applied sorting on that, right? So now I will say in this line options value sorted. So using this line we are fetching default sorting order, and here we are fetching in alphabetically sorting order, right? So it means before and after sorting, if both the lists are same, then we can say that options under that drop down default sortedly, right? And if the both the lists are different, then we can say the options are not displayed as per the sorting order, right? So that purpose I am just get fetching all these options before sorting and after sorting. So now let me print it so that we all can see the difference, and after that we will apply some assertion on that. So now let me execute this. Now you will see this global SQA URL will launch. Yeah, here it is, and then it will click on this customer login button, and then it will try to fetch all these options, and it will print on the console. Yeah, it's done, I think. Yeah, so now let's see here. So this is the default sorting order, right? And this is ascending alphabetically sorting order, and now you can see both the lists are not same. It means options are not displayed as per the sorting logic, right? So now let me write the assert statement, and with this equal assertion I am just comparing these two, right? So this time our test case will fail because of options are not available as per the sorting. So with the, I will say, these two line of stream related, we can validate the sorting related functionality in the Selenium. Now again same test case will execute, but this time we have added assertion statement. So now you can see test case is getting fail because it's find first zeroth index of the first list, and this is the zeroth index of the second list. So because till this zeroth index it's same, but for this first index both are different, that's why it's breaking. So that's all about this example 4. This piece of code we can write in different way as well. So here line number 31 and line number 32 I'm using this method referencing, but we can write in different way as well. That will be like this lambda expression get text. In this way also we can write.